هلو مرحبا بالجميع في قناتي أميرة Languages. إن كنت جديدا سبسكرايب لتصلك كل الفيديوهات. سندرس اليوم بعض المصطلحات الخاصة بالتبضع، ولكن قبلها سأحكي لك قصة. Hey, so I prepared my tea because I'm a little cold. I hung out this evening under the rain. By the way, the weather was amazing, especially for rain lovers. And I entered a shop. And here are the things that I couldn't help but buy. So first, jam, rose jam, and cream, hand cream, and a shampoo. As you see, they are all pink. If the thing is pink, I definitely buy it. If not, well, it depends. So let's try this. You know, here's the jam, and here's even the petals of the rose. Petals. Let's taste it. Like you are eating the rose, but a sweet rose. Not bad. Okay, I'll try this cream. My hands are dry, so I wanted to see this cream. Soft cashmere. All right. Again, this way. Okay, so I try it. Soft, really soft. See what is it here. Well, a real nice smell. I like it. And of course the pink shampoo. Some balance, I don't know. Okay, thank you for being here, and have a nice evening, and goodbye. And let's learn some vocab. So first, shopping. shopping بمعنى يتسوق. shopping. To buy يشتري. To buy. To sell يبيع. To sell يبيع. The seller البائع. The seller. The shop المحل. To hang out بمعنى يتجول وغالبا بدون وجهة معينة. في الماضي ستصبح hang out، تكتب بحرف U. أتمنى أنكم فهمتم لأنه الآن لدينا كويز. إذن اختر الإجابة الصحيحة. I don't usually from that shop. Is it A. sell, B. buy, C. find? Second sentence. Yesterday he out with his friends all day. Is it A. hang, B. hangs, C. hang? لا تختلط عليكم الإجابة، وعلقوا بإجابتكم لكي أصحح لكم. لا تنسى لايك للفيديو، كومنت بإجابتك، وشير مع أصدقائك المهتمين بتعلم الإنجليزية. إن كنت لم تتابع قناتي بعد، سبسكرايب. لنلتقي في المرة القادمة. Goodbye.